Guangzhou Meklon Chemical Technology Company, Limited was established in 2010. OA Company is an industrial company integrating production, sales and research and development. The factory is located in Wakai Chemical City, Wangqing, Guangdong, where the environment is elegant. We have a modern high-standard workshop covering an area of over 60,000 square meters. We adhere to the principle of stable quality and are well known in the industry, using European, American, Asian and other top international raw materials. Our team has 15 years of experience in foreign trade. We are also committed to the development of new products and provide customers with the most accurate and professional after-sales service. Our company has professionals from different fields, including R&D, production, sales, quality control and so on. This multi-field expertise enables us to fully understand and meet our clients' needs while providing exceptional service and support in different areas. We have established a complete quality management system, covering the whole process from raw material procurement to manufacturing, quality inspection and after-sales service. We strictly implement the ISO quality management system to ensure that every link meets international quality standards. We ensure that the automotive paint products we provide meet the highest standards in terms of quality, environmental protection, gloss and shelf life. They go through a rigorous quality testing program to ensure their products meet high standards. Meklon is committed to providing high-quality automotive paint products at affordable prices to customers. They are constantly striving to innovate and improve to meet the changing needs of the automotive restoration and painting industry. Our company is an automotive paint manufacturer that pays attention to product quality and focuses on wholesale export business. We are well aware of the importance of high-quality products to customers, so we have strict requirements and high standards in quality control. We firmly believe that only by providing excellent quality can we win customers' trust and long-term cooperation.